want to find missing numbers in a fraction. We're going to look at some examples right now. So, example one, number one. Let's assume you're given a fraction like 1 over 9, 1 over 9 equal to something over 27, and you're going to have a box here to find the missing number.
I can only calculate it with a fraction rule.
Okay, yeah, what do you think it should be?
It should be like a big square with lines. So the top one has a big line, and you just write 1, and then another, and the other one, you write a big line. Then you split the middle into 2 halves. Then you write 2 in both of those boxes, and do the same one with 3, but split it into 3 boxes, and then you 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, okay. But let me just try to explain this, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, what we're trying to do is to say what number should go in here that will make them equal. Is that clear?
Yeah.
We're going to compare, in a fraction, if you have a fraction over, a number over another number, the one at the top is called what?
Um,
Numerator.
Numerator.
And the one at the
And
bottom?
bottom one's called denominator.
Yes, denominator. So you're going to compare. In this pair of fractions, we have both denominators and not the numerator. So we're going to compare the denominators. Is that clear?
Yes.
So what is the first denominator? That's 9, right?
Yeah.
And what's the second denominator? That's 27, right?
Yes.
So 9 times what is going to give us 27?
Hmm. I don't really know my times table up to 27.
Yeah, I know. I said 9 times something equal to 27. So what should this something be? That's your 9 times table, right?
Yes.
So if we say 9 times 1, will it be 27? No. If we say 9 times 2, will it be 27? No, because that's 18. But if we say 9 times 3, it's going to be 27. Okay?
Okay.
So the number here is 3. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So if we say 9 times 3 gives us 27, so we have 3. Then 3 times the 1 at the top gives us 1, right? What's 3 times 1?
3 times 1 is 3.
Yeah, so the answer should be 1 over 9 equal 3 over 27. Is that clear now?
Yes.
Because there's a 3 that we used to multiply this to give us this. Then that 3 multiply 1 to give us this one. Okay, is that clear?
Yes.
So we compared the denominators because we have both denominators. Okay, if we don't have both denominators, we can't compare them. Is that clear?
Yes.
We can only compare the ones that we have. Let's take another example. Let's say mm, we have 3 over 4 equal to box over 28. So 3 over 4 equal to something over 28. So let's put a box here. We're going to follow the same process. We have both denominators, yes or no?
Yes.
So 4 times what will give me 28? Check your 4 times table. 4 times what? It's going to give us 28.
4 times 3.
Oh, 4 times 3 is 12. Try again.
4 times 6.
4 times 6, that's the double of this, that's 24. Then, if we
Uh,
add 3, that's 27, so that's 4 times 7. I mean 28, rather. If we add 4,
so on to 7.
yeah, it's 7 here. So 4 times
But,
7,
but can you also divide 4 and 28?
yeah. When you say 28 divided by 4, it gives us 7, okay?
Okay.
Then times 3. What is 7 times 3? That's 21, okay? Or 3 times 7. So the answer is going to be 21 and not 7. Is that clear? So when you check it and you get the number, the missing number, the mystery number or the operator, you use to multiply the other one to get the one you're looking for. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Let's look at yet another example. Let me clear this away.
This one, can I do it by myself?
Okay, let's see. 3/5. Let me say 3/5. 3/5 equal to something over 15. So I'm gonna put a box here. Then you can try it and just tell me.
The
Oh,
answer's the answer's 9.
the answer is 9. That's correct. Because 5 times 3 give me 15.
Equals
Then 3
equals
and that's
3.
9. Good. That's a very good one. So let's look at another one, another example, another one. Let's say you have 3/4 equal to something like a box, over 44. So what do you think the answer should be?
And it'll be 33.
33, that's correct because you say 4 times 11, this
4 times
then,
4 is 11.
then
And
11
then
times,
if you times 4 by 3 is 33.
yeah, 11 times 3 is 30. That's correct. Okay, then we have another type that this time around they will not give us they might not give us the denominators, but the numerators, okay?
Okay.
Let's look at this one. It's still the same process. 12 over 20 equal to 3 over something. So
So
instead
do
of,
you have to do 3 times 20?
no way, we have to compare the numerators either way. So 3
Oh,
times what? 3 times what gives us 12?
4.
4, then 4 times 20 gives us what?
4 times 20. I never did my 20 times table.
Wait, hold on. There is something there. I think I need to check on something. Like, if I say 3 times 4, can this actually work? Oh, it's not gonna be multiplication, it will be division, okay? Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, this is gonna be division. So let's say, what number can divide this to give me 3?
Um,
That's 4, right?
yes.
Then use 4 to divide this, okay?
Okay.
Then you have 5, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
But if you want to use the same method, say 3 times what, it's going to give us 12. That's 4, right?
Yeah.
Then 4 times what will give us 20?
5.
5. You can see it's the same 5, right?
Yes.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say number 6. So we have this one, both numerators. Let's say we have 5 over 9. 5 over 9 equal to 10 over something. So we're going to say, we're going to compare the smaller to the bigger, okay?
Okay.
5 times what is going to give us 10?
2.
2. So 2 times 9. It's going to give us what? 18. Okay? So if it's
Yes.
5 times 2, 10, then 9 times 2 is 18. Is that clear? So that if you want to reduce it back, you can say 2 here, 5, 2 here, 9. And give us our 5 over 9. Okay?
Okay.
Which means they are still equal. Still equal. And number 7, let's
Can I
look
do
at.
it by myself?
Okay, let's see. We have mm, this time. Okay, okay, 40 over 100 equal to 4
Wait,
over
what's
something.
the number below 40?
That's 100. Let me write it again.
Okay.
40 over 100 equal to 4 over something. So can you try this?
10. So 40 divided by 4 is 10.
Okay. So that means 4 times 10 is 40 and 10 times 10 is 100, right?
Yes.
That's very good. Okay. Let's take another one, number 8. Let's say we have 3 over 10 equal to 12 over a box. So what should be the answer in the box?
So 3 divided by 4, 3 divided by 12 is 4,
Okay, 12 divided by 3 is 4, okay.
and 4 times 10 is 40.
Okay, so if I put 40 here, that means 4 here, 3, and 4 here, 10. That's correct. Okay,
Yes.
so number 9, look at number 9. Let's say we have another one, 4 over 5 equal to, where is the 4? Do I have 4 over 10 on the board? No. Okay, let me change these two. 4 over 10. So we have 4 over 10 now equal to something over 5. So what should the missing number be?
So 10 times 5 is 50.
Wait a minute.
I mean, 10 divided by 5 is 50.
Wait a minute. So
And
what number should I put at the top?
I think the answer will be 200.
200 divided by 5. You can try that again. Let's see. compare this. 5 times what will give me 10?
Um, 5 divided by 10 is 50.
Wait. 5 times what will give me 10? 5 times what will give me 10? 2, right?
Yes.
So if 2 times 5 will give me 10, then 2 times what will give me 4?
8.
Wait. If 2 times 5 gives 10, then 2 times what will give me 4?
80.
Wait. 2 times 5, the 2 at the middle times 5 is 10 here. So the 2 times what is 4? 2 times something equal to 4. What is that something?
2.
2. Okay. Is that clear now? So here we have 2. So and it makes sense if you cut it down 2 here, 2, 2 here, 5. That's 2 over 5. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So let's look at one more before I allow you to write it down. Number 10. For number 10, let's say we have 5 over 7. 5 over 7 equal to something over 35. So what should that something be?
7.
Oh, can it be 7? 7 times what will give me 35? That's 7 times 5. So what is 5 times 5?
25.
So if you divide by 5, 5 is 5 and 5 is 7, it gives us our 5 over 7. Okay?
Okay.
Now you can write it down. Three, one, two. You write a topic, then you write everything on the board.
Wait, do I write 1 to 10?
Yes, you write everything.
Okay.
The whole thing in this shape, in this rectangle, you write it in the green rectangle. So let's see. I got this wrapped up here. And I got these. So once we're through, we're gonna continue from there, okay?
Okay.
So we want to look at the corrections right now to see whether you still need a little bit of explanation or whether your answers are correct, okay? The first one, we're gonna compare the denominators, okay? So 10 times what will give me 80? 10 times what will give me 80?
10
Yeah,
times 8.
good. Then 8 times 5. Give me what? That's 40.
40.
You do you
And then,
understand? Do you understand now?
yes.
Uh,
So
uh,
I
uh,
think I got the rest wrong.
wait. It's simply because you didn't do the two steps, okay? Okay.
Okay.
So let's just look at it. So that when next we meet, if I give you work to do on it, then you will really remember all of the steps, okay? Exactly. Now in number two, we have the numerators, right? 3 times
Yeah.
what will give me um, 9,
3.
3. So what times 3 will give me 15?
3.
No, 3 times 3 is 9. So what times 3 will give me 15? That's 5. Okay,
3.
5. Okay,
Okay.
5 times 3 is what?
5 times 5 times 3.
Is 15, right?
Oh no, because when you do with your hands 5, 10, 15. When you say 15 is on the third finger.
And yeah, this is 5 times 1 is 5 plus 5 times 2 that's 10. Then 5 times 3 that's 15, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now let us look at the next one. We also have these, right?
Yeah.
3 times what is 9? That's also 3, right? Then 3 times what will give me 24? 3 times what will give me 24? That should be 8, right?
Mm,
So 3 times 8 is what?
24.
Yeah. So now you're getting it, right? Now let's consider the number 4. We have these. So 2 times what will give me 8? 2 times what will give me 8?
4.
Yeah, 4. So 4 times what will give me 20? 4 times something will give me 20.
40.
No, 4 times something will give me 20. That's 4 times 5, okay?
Okay.
So I can say 2 times 4 is 8, then 5 times 4 is 20. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Then the last one, 4 times what will give me 8?
2.
2. Then 2 times what will give me 6? 2 times,
12.
no, 2 times what will give me 6?
3.
3. That's correct. Is that clear now? So write down the correct correction, then you try to put the direction of the arrow that we are multiplying in this direction. Then here we are also multiplying this direction in this direction because this times this will give you this. Then here we're multiplying in the backward direction and here also in the backward direction. Okay? Is that clear?
No.
Is that clear now?
Not really clear.
Not really. Okay, let me explain all over, okay? Okay,
Okay.
good. So if you have 1 over 9, like this example, can you see this? Equal to something over 27. You're going to say 9 times what gives me 27? That's 3, okay? Then 3 times 1 gives me 3. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Let's look at the second one again. 3 over 4 equals something over 28. So what is 4 times what will give me 28? That's 7, right? And 7 times 3 gives me 21. Okay? Is that clear? Okay, good. Then the next one, 3 over 5 equal to something over 15. So 5 times what give me 15? That's 3. Then 3 times 3 give me what? 9. Then the next one, 3 over 4 equals something over 44. So what is 4 times what? 4 times what will give me 44? That's 11. So 11 times 3 give me what? 33. Okay? Then the other one, 3 times 4 give me 12. Then the 4 times the 5, okay? Because 5 times 4, we are multiplying backward this time around. Is that clear?
Yes.
So when you have a small number to the big number, you multiply forward like this. But when you have a big number to a small number, you can multiply backward, okay? So here we have 5 times 2, give me 10. Then 9 times 2, give me 18, okay? Then the next one, backward multiplication. 4 times 10 give me 40. Then something times 10 times something will give me 100. So that is 10 times 10. And the next one, multiply it forward. 3 times 4 gives me 12. Then that's 4 times 10 give me 40. Okay? And the next one, 10 times, okay, 5 times 2 gives me 10. Then that 2 times the 2 here gives me 4. Is that clear now? And let's go back to the one we used for classwork. If we multiply forward among the denominators, I mean between the denominators, we have 10 times 8 to give us 80, then 8 times 5 gives us 40. Okay? Then here, 3 times 3 gives us 9. Then the 3 times 5 gives us 15. Here, 3 times 3 gives us 9 again, and 3 times 8 gives us 24. Then the last one, the second to the last one, we are multiplying backward. That is 2 times 4 gives 8. Then it means the 5 times 4 should give us 20. So that if we reduce it, it will be 4a to 4a 5. Okay?
Okay.
Good. And the final one, before we round up for today, we have 6 over 8 equals to 3 over 4. So 4 times 2 gives us 8. Then what times 2 gives us 6, and that's 3. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Have you written the correction?
No.
Okay, write the correction, then we round up for today. Okay?
Okay.
All right.